Trip Kuto Vlogs with the gorgeous, fantastic, and fabulous Miss Mike.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel and right here in Canggu, Bali. So guys, I'm now in Bali in Canggu. So I flew from Ho Chi Minh City yesterday to Bali. Now, hindi ko na binla guys yung buong experience ng travel kasi sometimes it is stressful in the airport. Kaya parang sabi ko hindi na ako mag-vlog kasi napaka-stressful nung nangyari. Kasi it's my first time flying Vietjet. And nasanay ako guys. Hindi naman ako nasanay pero last flight ko from Bangkok to Ho Chi Minh, Air Asia yung nasakyan ko. And usually pag international flights, hindi na kinikilo, wala na silang pakialam sa hand carry mo, di ba? For as long as pasok sa measurements or sa size ng bag yung dala-dala mong hand carry, wala nang kilo-kilo doon. So, kasi guys, dalawa yung dala kong luggage, isang malaki which is 20 kilograms and then isang hand carry na luggage din. So, yung luggage is that exceeds 7 kilos guys. Ang luggage ko is around umaabot ng 12. So, pero yun nga, papunta ako from Bangkok to Ho Chi Minh, walang kilo-kilo doon, nakapasok. Pero itong sa Vietjet guys, lahat kinikilo kahit na maliit na bag. Kumbaga, lahat ng dala mo, ilalagay mo doon. So, syempre, sobrang nakaagad ako. So, I ended up paying guys for the excess baggage at around 1,900 more. So, isipin nyo guys, ang pera ko, isakto na lang for my 1 week stay here in Bali. So, kinuha nila guys, naubos yung pera ko. So, isipin nyo guys, being in an international airport, going to a different location, wala akong kapera-pera na. So, isipin nyo yun guys, I was thinking, nasabi ko, ano ang mangyayari pagdating ko sa Bali Airport? Wala akong pambili ng SIM, wala akong pamasahe papuntang hotel. So, sabi ko, sa airport ba ako titira? Paano ako kakain? Gutom na ako. Uhaw na ako. Wala akong pambili ng tubig. So, yun yung mga scenario ko kahapon guys. Kaya hindi na ako nag-vlog. Kasi sabi ko parang I was super stressed na ipinagdasal ko na lang. I lifted it up to the Lord na lang. Ang ginawa ko, sinat ko yung kaibigan ko nang hiram ako ng pera. And I was hoping na after the 4 hours or 3.5 hours na flight, pagdating ko sa airport, magkaroon ng signal ako sa wifi. Sabi ko baka may maganda ng resulta. So, pagdating ko guys pagdating ko ng airport, wala pa, hindi niya pa nababasa yung text. So, sana ako kukuha ng pera. Mabuti nga, meron akong isang friend na biglang nag-chat sa akin asking me about my bag. So, yung Karl Lagerfeld bag ko. So, from there, nagkaroon ako ng idea. Sabi ko, dito kaya ako manghiram. So, nakahiram ako guys ng 3,000. Pinadala niya right then and there. So, yun kaya ako nagkaroon ng opportunity to buy a SIM card. Nakapag-withdraw ako ng pera at nakapag-taxi ako going to the hotel. So, right now, sorry guys, medyo mahaba yung kwento. Kasi talagang traumatic talaga siya guys. Traumatizing talaga yung experience na mawalan ka ng pera in an airport at dadating ka sa isang location, bagong location na pupuntahan mo na wala ka ni isang kusing. So there guys, today I'm gonna show you the place where I'm staying. So kumbaga it's a room tour. So let's begin. So this is the entrance to my hostel guys. So as you can see, there are ito mga temples, they call that temples, and nagbibigay well decorated, naglalagay sila dyan ng mga alay, food, yosi, candy, soft drink at kung ano-ano pa. Now ito yung pinaka front niya, and this is the garden. So, as usual, dito guys sa Bali is very lush yung mga trees and plants and gardens. And if you see on my left is actually surrounded by a rice field. So, very rare commodity na guys ngayon sa Bali yung katabi mo mismo yung rice field kasi it is what is known for. Kumbaga, kilala yung Bali to have beautiful villas beside rice fields or fronting rice fields. So, but because of the, alam mo yun, yung pagiging ano na nung lugar, pagiging super sikat at ang dami ng tinatayong mga villas, syempre, yung rice field, they turn it na into construction sites. Instead na rice field na lang siya, nagiging tinatayuan sila ng mga bahay. So, kaya napaka-rare na ngayon yung magkaroon ng property ng tabi mo mismo or harap mo is rice field. So, and I am staying in a hotel, in a hostel that is right beside a rice field. So, the name of my hotel, guys, or hostel is Canggu. So, makikita nyo, guys, that is a typical Balinese architecture. Yan. So, walk naman tayo, guys. Now, by the way, this structure is where I'm staying at. So, nandyan yung bed ko. So, pag pumunta ka dito, walk ka dito, from the entrance, you'll see this is the chill area of my hostel. So, dyan kami nagkakape, inom-inom ng beer, ganon. And ito naman are the individual rooms. Ayan. So, we have the individual rooms. Ayan, sorry guys, umuulan na. So, umuulan na guys. So, ayan yung individual rooms, guys. Kasi where I'm staying is a hostel. So, meaning, it is composed of bunk beds. So, this is the very best picturesque pool, guys. So, again, it is very rare to now have a property in Canggu or in Bali that is right in front of a rice field. So, but our pool is right in front of a rice field. So, ayan, tingnan nyo naman, guys. So kung titingnan nyo, guys, ang color ng mga pools dito sa Bali is different. It's not blue, but greenish gray. So, that is because, based on my research, is because that they are using a very special Balinese stone, meaning the stone that they use or the tile that they are using is only found here in Bali. Okay, if you will observe, Balinese pools have different color. So, ganyan ang color ng Balinese pool, grayish green. So, hindi siya blue na katulad ng mga nakasanayan natin na super blue na parang dagat. Dito sa Bali, ang mga pools are grayish green. So, yan guys, that is achieved only by using a Balinese rock. Okay, so there guys, mamaya pakita ko na sa inyo yung room ko. Madilim pa kasi ngayon kasi tulog pa sila kasi nga napakaaga. So pakita ko sa inyo the beds that where we sleep in. Pero ngayon, hanggang dito na muna. So ito guys yung building namin. Ito yung structure namin. So akyat tayo. This is where the beds are. So on my left is the receptions. So ayan yung simple reception nila. Ayan. At may ref for beer and soft drink. Now, ito yung ano namin. Ayan yung door namin. Tapos on this part is the chill area. So that's where you can have your coffee, beer, pag-ahapon. Tapos ayun parang kung makikita nyo guys, mahilig sila sa mga ganyan-ganyan mga parang ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, temple, ganon. Tapos this is a beautiful painting. Diba, Balinese painting depicting the Balinese lifestyle. So there, same here. May painting din dito, a very big painting. So siguro ang mahal na nito ngayon guys. Ang ganda. So there guys, this is the front of my room. Mamaya na yung mismong room. So yun guys, ito na yung room namin. This is the room where the back beds are. Ayan. So there are 14 beds up and down. Tapos kung makikita nyo yung roof, ayan, ang ganda ng ito yung pinakamas houses. Tapos sa baba is a lounge area with a native mat. Tapos merong mga pillows lang. So, this is my bed, guys. Ayan. So, pasensya na. Magulo na kasi ginamit na. Tapos, there are curtains and mosquito net. Ayan. So, look at how beautiful the room are. And these are the mga taguan ng mga gamit. Anong tawag dyan? Ayan. So, sorry. Nakalimutan ko, guys. And these are the shoe rack. Tapos, wala ditong aircon. So, there are only 2 big fans. And, nakakaano siya, guys. Nakakatuwa naman kasi hindi mainit. Kahit walang aircon. So, ang bongga niya. So, ano pa ba? And, from here, makikita nyo, tanaw namin yung pool sa labas. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo. So, that's the pool. So, that's the room tour, guys. That's the property where I'm staying at here in Canggu, Bali. So, this is very affordable. So, I'll put in the price here that I'm paying per day in peso. And for those of you who are going to Bali and you want to stay in a hostel or even like individual rooms, because they have individual rooms as well, you can check out this booking.com name of the property. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please join me in my adventures here in Bali. So please don't forget to subscribe. That is very important to me. Kailangan ko po yun, pampalakas ng loob. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless, Mama.
Maraming salamat. Please follow and subscribe. God bless!